Hey kiddos, are you ready for some Lego fun? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting for you. We're driving this fantastic motorcycle set. Now, before we have a driving fun, let's take a quick look at it. It comes in a pack of bunch of colorful pieces and stickers, promising hours of building fun, with a vibrant image of the motorcycle model we'll be constructing. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, and the pieces fit together seamlessly, just as you'd expect. Check out the cool handlebars, the wheels, and oh, don't forget the shiny stickers. It's like you've got your very own motorcycle ready for an adventure. The rear wheel suspensions are awesome. There is a chain system just like a real motorcycle, which moves the wheel. It has a foot support system to help it stand. Now, let's put this bad boy to the test. We're going to give it a spin and see how it handles. Wow, would you look at that? This Lego motorcycle not only looks amazing, but it also handles like a dream. Just look at the sleek design, the working suspension. Thanks for joining me on this awesome adventure, kiddos. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun. Until next time, keep building and have a great day.